In this video, I show you how to earn PayPal money from just watching YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to make $100 per day for absolutely free till 2023. How to do it, we're about to find out. This is earning money from watching YouTube videos. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind. And that way I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Enjoy it. Step number 1, I want you to go onto youtube.com and from there you can find different videos and I want you to click on any one of these videos. And step number 2, once you go into the video just like this, I want you to make sure that you watch at least a minimum of 30 seconds of the video. And step number 3, you make money. All of these are real payment proofs from people all over the world for all the videos they watch. Now here's exactly how much money you can earn from this. If you just watch one YouTube video, you can earn $3. When you're watching 10 YouTube videos, you earn $30. And when you're watching 50 videos per day, you can earn $150. And guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want and keep on making money. And this is 100% legit, which is absolutely free. YouTube is actually available worldwide and you can watch it from anywhere in the world. And right now, all you need is just a mobile phone or a computer. I'll show you a few examples and a few videos that you can watch. Don't forget, I have a little surprise bonus for you at the end of this video, which is an exclusive tip that can help you earn 5 times more money by simply watching YouTube videos. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let us get started. The first thing that I want you to do is to click on the sign in button right on top and that's going to take you to this page. Now if you don't have a YouTube account, you have to create a free YouTube account by just clicking on this button create account and choose for myself. And from there you can literally create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, one thing you'll notice on the left section is you can see trending from there. YouTube will show you the trending video categories such as music, gaming, movies and so on. Right on this video I'll show you a secret strategy which nobody's talking about. So I want you to click on gaming from there and that's going to take you to this page under the gaming section. There are literally millions of people watching these videos on YouTube and they don't know how they could be making a lot of money. But I'll show the secret on how to do it and that's exactly how all of these guys are making big money on YouTube. $5, $10, $11 over and over again for every single video that they watch. So right now I'll give you the first bonus tip. I want you to focus on this category of video Minecraft, which is one of the most popular games that is trending right now. From there, when you click on Minecraft, that's going to take you to this particular page where you can find a lot of videos about Minecraft Gamma Plays and one of these live streaming videos is running right now. And all you have to do for the next step is to click on any one of this live video. If I click on this one that's going to take me to this page here, they are running a live stream. As you can see a lot of people are watching this video and there are a lot of demands and opportunities to make on this kind of video right on YouTube. So make sure you keep on watching and I'll show you exactly how you can make a lot of money from this kind of YouTube videos. And you can repeat this again and again for a lot of different YouTube videos right on this category. In order for us to turn those YouTube videos into actual money, we actually have to go onto the second website which is 7r6.com. On this website you have the opportunity to shorten URL links and turn them into actual money. Now don't worry, I'll make it really simple for you. It's actually much more easier than what you think and there are no other people talking about this strategy right now and you could be making a lot of money if you watch this video all the way until the end. So the concept here is really simple. You have to sign up for a free account on 7r6 and from there you have to shorten different URL links of different YouTube videos. Also we can invite our friends and earn. And the withdrawal limit is just $1. I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a moment and you could be making money every single video. Now I'll show you one example and exactly how it works if you're watching these YouTube videos. Under here you can find the share button. Click on the share button and you will be able to find a YouTube URL link of this particular gaming video. And from there I want you to click on the copy button, copy the URL link of this YouTube video and then all we have to do is to go back to this website 7r6, paste the link into this box. Now as you can see here, I just put in the link of that YouTube video into this box and click on this little button. This website will automatically help me to convert and shorten the long YouTube URL link into a brand new unique link as you can see here. Now, every single time people click on this unique link, you are going to get paid. That's exactly how all of these guys are able to make big money right here on this website every single day. Once you've earned your money, you're able to cash out your earnings into Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Litecoin, PayPal, Payeer and so on. There are so many different payment options. So for the first step that I want you to do is to go back to the homepage and I want you to click on the sign up button, and from there that's going to take you to this page where you can register a brand new membership. And once again, this is 100% free and available worldwide. I want you to put in your username, your email, create your password and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and then click on the register button. After you sign up for a brand new account. And when you log in, this is what you will see in your dashboard. From here I want you to click on this button on the top, which is new shortened link. Click on that and that's where we're going to copy and paste our YouTube URL link so we can shorten it and earn money. So right now all we're going to do is just go back to our YouTube video, click on the share button and copy this URL link. Then go back to our dashboard and paste our link right here into this box. And under alias I want you to type in Minecraft, which is the name of the video. And I want you to just click on the shorten button and that is the shortened link. So step number 3, I want you to go back to YouTube and repeat the same process for up to 3 different videos. The more YouTube videos you copy and shorten the URL links, the more money you're going to make. This next bonus tip that I want to share with you is that I want you to focus on this particular category because you are going to be making a lot of money. I want you to focus particularly on live streaming videos. Now let's continue. I'm going to click on this video and that's going to take me to another live streaming video. From there, we're going to repeat the same strategy. Click on the share button, then click copy. After that go to your 7R6 dashboard and paste the second URL link into the box. And then we're just going to put Mecraft_1 on the alias and click on shorten. That's the second link we successfully shortened. Remember what I told you, just repeat the same strategy. You have to find different YouTube videos, then just copy the link and shorten it with the help of 7R6. Now moving on to the final step, I want you to go on to steamcommunity.com. Before anything else, are you a gamer? What kind of games do you often play? Let me know in the comments. Now this is a gaming website or a gaming platform where a lot of people discuss about different strategies to play different games. Right now on the Minecraft game, there are so many different discussions going on. As you can see here, a lot of people are talking about this game. This game is trending right now and they're getting millions and millions of views every single day. So this is going to be your biggest opportunity to capture this trend with the help of 7r6.com and make a lot of money from all of these YouTube videos. Now basically what you can do is that you can sign up for a free account on Steam Community and put up a post about Minecraft or any other trending games and share your shortened link into this Steam Community through that post. And from there you're going to be getting a lot of clicks from a lot of people. They will view your link, click on it and watch the video. And for every single click, you're going to be making money. And from just one video, you could be making hundreds and thousands of dollars. For those of you guys who are still watching, I want to give you a special bonus tip that will help you to earn triple more money compared to other people. All you want to do is to go to Facebook and in the search bar type Minecraft. And in the groups select public groups. Now you can see a lot of groups with thousands of members. You can simply click and join on that groups. Now I will just click on this group. Here you can see many posts and comments. Now what I am gonna do is, I am going to write a post. Hello guys, check out this exciting game and learn how to play it, and you can copy paste your shortened link here. See, it has created the Minecraft preview. Now whoever click on this link and watch it, you gonna get paid. Interesting, right? I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please let me know which country you're watching this video from so I can create more content for you and others in your country. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.